So, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Look at all the little boys and girls coming to say hello. Hey, isn't it nice seeing all the little lambs coming? The lambs are looking remarkably good. Sheep are looking good. There's a couple with some brambles on, which I'll try and get off when we feed them. But yeah, the lambs are looking good, very good. Look at Blondie. Hello. You alright, Apple? Hey? Good boy, aren't you? You are, aren't you? I'm all climbing up and down on the trap. And you got this little boy. This is good boy. And you got Blondie there. It's on ramming his head up against timber. Couple of little lambs there. Couple of the other little lambs. Let's go and get them fed. Come on in, boy. So we have three that are little pains. Nosy, Apple. All right, Apple, stop being greedy. And then Cloud. Apple, unfortunately, is the greedy one. No. Or nosy by the looks of it. Come on, out. Out. Finished? Ah, Cloud. So yeah, it's fun and games feeding these little ones. Very jumpy as well today by the looks of it. So there's the 7 lambs all outside with Nosy and his siblings ready for hay. You've got Blondie here trying to have a little rut with Apple. You can see the size of his horns there. You know, he is pretty much the dominant one at the moment on the farm. You know, he will charge. But yeah, you can see how the wool comes out. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, he may be dominant, but he still knows who's in charge. There's our pedigree saddleback. Eating his sow rolls. Size of him is getting bigger. He just doesn't stop growing. I mean, I don't know if you can see Debbie stood next to him, sort of thing. If Debbie moves in a bit, I mean, she stood, yeah. I mean, she's 5'10", and he's up level with her on her hips. So, yeah, he's a big old boy, very big old boy. Yeah, it's nice, nice seeing the rain falling, getting this grass growing again. You know, you can see all the new shoots coming up through. You know, it's nice. I mean, if you look down here, you see all the new shoots where it's all coming up through. I mean, look, looking good. Looking very good, in fact. So, today, what's our agenda been? We've been down the farm. We've fed the animals, checked the lambs, checked the livestock over, fed Bono, given Murphy a bit of a rush down just before this rain's coming. All the sheep are good. Bono's good. Murphy's good. The lambs are good. We also went and quoted some a field that needs to be flailed. We've done that first thing this morning. So that quote will be going over to them later today. Hopefully we'll get that. But yeah, it's a busy day so far. Got to nip up into Cribs Causeway now. Going to the Apple shop. Mum's iPad's playing up, so I need to get that looked at. But apart from that, everything's going well. Farm's looking good. The grass is growing nicely where we managed to get it cut in the dry period that we had, which is really good. I'll probably give it another cut, hopefully this weekend if we can, just to really, you know, give that grass a bit of growth, a bit of speed to grow. You know, it needs it. And cut grass always grows back twice as quick and twice as good. So yeah, I want to get that done. Still haven't had time to get to Weaverings yet to have a look at chain harrows. Need to do that sometime. Yeah, that'll be this week. I did call in and speak to Matt Dagger down at Chandler's last week. Only briefly. He's got some nice stuff down there as well that might have a look at. I don't know. It all depends on finances and money. So yeah, glad you're okay. We're all good down on the farm today. Even though the weather is coming in quite heavy and nice. Did see a little bunny rabbit this morning with a little fluffy white tail running down the farm track. So that was nice to see. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We should be back with you later today. And we shall see you all later. Thanks for now. See you soon. So good afternoon. Just popped down the farm really to have another little look to make sure all the animals are good. Make sure they're all alright. See if we got any lambs yet. Any new lambs, shall I say. Doesn't look like we have. For some reason they all think they're getting fed again, but they're not. There's some of the sheep there. There's the two males, two females. Don't know where the two pure black females are. Not sure where they are. Can't see them anywhere. But there's little old Cloud. Bless him. Mum and Dad's favourite.